Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a conditional formatting. For instance, it's like an Excel in QGIS. That means you have to select rows of a certain criteria and give them some good visual color. So for my case, I have these rows here. So I'll just go to my attribute table straight like that. So having this my attribute table, so the first things first, you need to understand this attribute table, and we are going to do conditional formatting. So how is this going to be? It's like we are going to, after portraying this attribute table, that means you have to find an option which goes by the name conditional formatting. So having this conditional formatting, that is where our things get very interesting. So by clicking this, we'll have a panel actually on the right hand side. So you can always just try to minimize or just try to increase the size, but for my case, I'll just keep it this way because the good thing is our attribute table has only 2 columns, but at reach a time we'll have a lot of columns to scroll in a scroll bar, but for my case this is it. So the case is I want to select those rows actually with total length greater than 1 or greater than 5, so or greater than 3, so they become selected automatically using a certain rule for conditional formatting. So you have to first, after having this clicked, like selected conditional formatting, you need to choose which field, because I mentioned earlier is length. That means I have to go to field, then total length. So by having this, then click new rule. So by having new rule, I'll need to set a column name. For instance, I'll call new length. Okay, so this is it. So the value, because I said because these values are in kilometers in length, that means I want only greater than 5, for instance 5 kilometers. This is my condition. Then you can always set here for expression, having different expression and customize it according. And the good thing, after writing this value greater than 5, it shows you here as an expression. So by closing, then you go to the preset. So preset, which color for those selected. For my case, I'll select, for the ones we selected, let us select with color green. Then preset, then put an icon. You can choose the color icon. For instance, it's red. So by pressing done, that means all will be selected. So you can always click or just like that. So that's it. So this is the way of doing conditional formatting using QGIS. And you can always change. And if you want to, you can just go and delete and edit. And preset here, you can choose that color. So thank you a lot. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.